In this short video, I will explain why AIKO Solar offers monoglass modules. Let's begin with the comparison. Installing PV modules on a 10,000 square meter warehouse. Let's say we have two options. Option 1, to use a monoglass panel with a weight of 27 kilograms, and option 2, to use a double glass panel with a weight of 33 kilograms. The total weight for option 1 would be approximately 80 tons, while option 2 would be 97 tons. We can see there's a huge difference with almost 17 tons. As a conclusion, I would like to emphasize that it's clearly that the monoglass panels are significantly more roof load friendly. And this could lead us to an important question. Why don't we see monoglass TOPCon modules on the market anymore? In fact, the research and real-world testing have shown that the monoglass TOPCon modules struggle under the damp heat conditions. Or in other words, let's say the humidity and high temperature conditions. This is mainly due to their material composition and structural design. In this direction also we have seen studies from institutions like University of New South Wales, also PVEL. It showed that the degradation of the mono TOPCon panels can reach to high levels up to 65%. To understand the issue here we are facing in the industry, we need to take a closer look at the material and the structure of the TOPCon cells, where the industry found that the boron diffusion is more challenging, and this leads to a poor connection between the fingers and the cell surface. And the question is how to solve this challenge. The industry tried to address the source of the issues that can be categorized in two groups. First one, shortcomings in the material, and the other one, structural defects. Again, to understand this, we need to go back to the cell level and understand the problem. The industry uses two methods to improve the conductivity of the contact circuit. The first method is to use silver aluminum paste, and the other one to use laser. In the method 1, the aluminum has poor acid and corrosion resistance, and this is the issue. And for the laser method, even though it's aluminum free, it still contains active metals and it could react to the acids. And in terms of structural defects for the both methods, they have localized passivation. The industry has tried to solve the issue by adding a thin layer of copper on the top of the silver circuit. And in fact, it helped, where the dump heat tests showed a big improvement, where the degradation was only 11.5% versus 80% of the regular silver circuit option. And hence, this improvement, AIKO has adopted the copper interconnection in the ABC cells, which has way lower degradation and better resistance to heat and humidity conditions, where ABC copper fingers don't contain aluminum or glass powder or even alkanite oxides. And there's no electrical circuits at the front of the ABC cells. On the top of that, it has a double-side passivation technology. As a summary of this video, I would say adopting the copper interconnection from AIKO has solved the corrosion problem and made the monoglass module to be more reliable and valid solution for the roof that has loads issues.